Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve exercise 8.4 question number 5th 10th. Question is given that 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a equal to 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square equal to tan square a. First we solve this. That means 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. Clear? Now we know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So we write in place of 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. Since we know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So we write in place of 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. Clear? Again. And 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Cosec square a. So we write cosec square a in place of 1 plus cot square a. So it will be cosec square a. Clear? Again, we know that sec square a is equal to reciprocal of sec square a is the reciprocal of cos square a. Clear? So we write is equal to 1 by cos square a. So we write 1 by cos square a in place of sec square a. So 1 by cos square a upon, and cosec square a is equal to the 1 by sin square a, because cosec square a is reciprocal of the sin square a. So it will be 1 by sin square a. This will be reciprocal and becomes 1 by cos square a multiply sin square a upon 1. Again, this will be sin square a sin square a upon cos square a. This is equal to the tan square a. Clear? Second, we solve this 1 whole square of 1 minus tan a upon 1 plus cot 1 minus cot a. Second, 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a. Clear? Whole square of. We know that tan a is equal to sin a upon cos a. Since tan a is equal to sin a upon cos a and cot a is equal to cos a upon sin a. Clear? So we put sin a upon cos a in place of tan a and cos a upon sin a in place of cot a. So it will be 1 minus tan a, that means sin a upon cos a. It will be 1. Again, 1 minus cos a upon sin a. this will be 1 and whole square. Clear? First we solve this, so it will be LCM cos A, and it will be cos A minus sin A upon, here LCM is sin A and sin A minus cos A. Whole square. Again, this will be reciprocal and becomes cos A minus sin A upon cos A multiply sin A upon sin A minus cos A. This is whole square. Clear? Now this will be sin A into cos A minus sin A upon cos A into sin A minus cos A whole square. Clear? Now here we take minus common, so it will be minus sin A upon cos A, and it will be also minus cos A and plus sin A. When we take minus 1 common, so it will be plus sin A and become minus cos A. So sin A minus cos A upon, it is also written in form of sin A minus cos A. This is the whole square of. This will be cancel out from this and become minus sin A upon cos A whole square. This is equal to minus tan A. It is a whole square, so it will be written in the form of tan square A. So we have to solve, verify 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square is equal to tan square A, and 1 whole square of 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A is equal to tan square A, and this is third is also written in the form of tan square A. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.